Steve here, NRC. I got another Tamiya kit here. It's one that I never thought I'd end up getting, but since the RCO got me this monster beetle beauty, I decided got a frog here. The reason why I got this frog is because when I was a little kid, my friend had one and I had a Hornet. We had a racetrack in the backyard in the woods. And I was a better driver and I could beat him a lot of times, but he bet me sometimes with his frog, because I guess it works a lot better than a Hornet. But anyhow, the reason why I never got this frog is because it left a bad memory in my head. Because I remember when my friend had it, them rear dog bones, you know, the original ones, they were octagon shaped. They were like, that gave him so much trouble with that buggy that when we were little kids, it just burned into my brain that oh, the frog. But they fixed them now with the dog bones, so I thought I'd give it a try. So that's the story on the frog. I think I was like 15 or something when we were racing them in the backyard in the track we built in the woods. So we're going to open it up and I'll show you what it looks like. A frog. Unbelievable. I didn't see one of these beauties, like I said, since probably 15, 16, I don't even remember, could have been earlier. My friend, even though he wasn't as good at driving as me, sometimes he'd spank me with this dang frog. My Hornet just was bouncing too much. So let's take a look at it. There's the box art. I think this one gives you different gear ratios. Yeah, you could use from 3 of them they give you included. That's cool. And the funniest thing about this frog is when we were little kids, my same friend, we were at the hobby shop. This old lady and guy, married couple, she always watched Godzilla on a little TV screen. And we went there. My friend goes to the guy, he's like, "What's that on the counter over there?" That's how we talk, little squeaky. And the old guy goes, "That's the frog." And I'll never forget the way he said it. And then we're looking at the frog. And I'm like, I look to the left and I'm like, whoa. I'm like, "What's that one over there?" And he goes to me like this, "That's the Super Shot." Like that. And when I seen that Super Shot, I had to get one. So I built a lot of kits for people when I was little and I saved money. So that's how I got that Super Shot. And that's why the Super Shot's like one of my favorites. Let's see what's in here, guys. I think this is the ESC. Yep. Hobby Wing ESC. That's good. Gearbox parts. Oh boy. The famous hard to put on tires and wheels. Oh man. Gonna be hurting my fingers with these beauties. Driver. Servo saver parts, and I think the gearbox parts to hold in the bearings. There it is. The body. I don't know what I'm going to do with this one. The wing. I always thought the wing was bigger. Must have been because I was a little kid. Oh, this box is heavy. What do we got here? Decals. Yep. Check out the instructions. It's going to be a fun build. This is just a spacer, but it's pretty cool, they say. It's got all the frog on it, little frogs all over it. Let's see what's in here. Where's my knife buried? This is a heavy box here. Oh boy. The chassis, greases, rubber drive boots, famous genuine Tamiya 540 motor, aluminum parts, nice bumper. Oh, I remember these aerials. These are the ones that were on the buggies back in the day. I never poked my eye out with one, but I'm pretty sure, I bet you some little kid looked down at their buggy and poof! They were dangerous. Got some shocks here. 3 different gear ratios in the diff. Metal parts. Steering knuckles, dog bone shafts, gears. I think this is the front suspension parts, shock parts, bag B screws, bag D screws, bag A more screws, bag C more screws. And this bag has ball joints and stuff and metal pipe rods and the motor, a gasket. So that's it. That's the frog. I'm just going to throw this all back in the box. I also got a burring kit, fast eddy burring kit, and a standard servo. This is an Onyx door track standard sport servo. That should be good enough. So that's the frog. Oh, I'm gonna have to put this in better, but that's the frog, and that's my story on the frog from when I was a little kid with my friend. That was good times. We had a lot of fun racing them, that's for sure. Alright guys, if you liked the video, please leave me a thumbs up. I appreciate it as always. Also, if you could hit that bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Leave some comments, they're awesome. Helps channel me out. And I'll see you next time guys, and I'll do like a build video with this, I guess. I don't know how I'm going to paint it, but we'll find out. Thanks for watching guys, Shen RC. I'll see you next time.